Have you been trying to manifest your dreams but feel like nothing's happening? You're not alone. Many people struggle with manifestation. But the good news is, it's usually because of a few common mistakes. In today's video, I'll reveal the 3 biggest reasons why your manifestation isn't working and how to fix them. Welcome to Mystica Finance, where we bridge the cosmos and cash flow to help you unlock your financial potential. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth building strategies. Now, let's get started. The importance of understanding manifestation. Manifestation is a powerful tool, but it's not just about wishing for things and hoping they'll appear. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. The law of attraction responds to the energy you put out. So if something isn't working, it's often because of a mismatch in your energy or focus. Understanding where you might be going wrong is the first step to getting back on track. Mistake number 1. Lack of clarity. The first mistake people make is not being clear enough about what they want. If you don't know exactly what you're trying to manifest, the universe doesn't either. Vague goals like, I want more money, or I want to be happy, aren't specific enough to attract results. Solution. Get crystal clear on your desires. For example, instead of I want more money, say, I am grateful for receiving an extra $5,000 in the next 30 days. The clearer and more specific you are, the easier it is for the universe to deliver what you want. Mistake number 2, focusing on lack. The second mistake is focusing on what you don't have rather than what you want to attract. When you focus on lack, whether it's not having enough money, love, or success, you're actually attracting more lack into your life. This happens because the law of attraction amplifies the energy you're putting out. And if that energy is based on scarcity, that's what you'll continue to manifest. Solution. Shift your focus to abundance. Instead of thinking, I don't have enough money, start visualizing and affirming the abundance that's coming your way. For example, I am grateful for the wealth that flows to me easily and consistently. This helps reprogram your subconscious mind to focus on attracting abundance rather than reinforcing lack. Mistake number 3. Lack of belief and alignment. The third mistake is not fully believing that you deserve or can achieve what you're manifesting. If deep down you feel unworthy or doubtful, you create resistance that blocks your manifestations. It's like asking for something, but at the same time pushing it away. Solution. Work on your belief system. Start affirming that you are worthy and deserving of everything you desire. Align your actions and thoughts with your goals. Take inspired steps toward your dreams. And trust that the universe will meet you halfway. The more aligned you are, the easier it is for your desires to manifest. Now that you know the 3 common mistakes people make when manifesting, it's time to fix them and start manifesting your desires with ease. Which mistake are you going to work on today? Share in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Mystica Finance and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video on how to create the life of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep manifesting.